Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on a Monday. Yes, it's Monday. Monday, first day of the week. Working. Yeah, first day of working. Yes. Monday. Yes, July the 5th, 2021. The fourth and last puzzle I will solve in this additional is a tectonic. Tectonic with 4 stars. This will be a number 3053. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16. Could be an easy one, could be a hard one. I do not know. We will see. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single boxes? The single boxes are always a 1. I see a single box, there, single box, always a 1. All right. Then the following question, can we see here the dual boxes? Dual boxes, no. I see a triple box here. Here also a triple box. The triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. We see here a 2, so this box cannot be a 2. Here also a 2, so this box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2, should be there. Those 2 boxes, I do not know in which order, so I mark them 1 and a 3. 1 and a 3. Here, the 3 already filled in, so the 1 and the 2 are left. 1 and the 2, alright. Then the following question, do we have here quadra boxes in this puzzle? No, I can't see any quadra box. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes or structures or constrictions or figures, you name it. Whatever. Yes, the T constriction upside down. Upside down. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. It's connected. Okay. Do we have more T shapes? No. Then the following structure, this kind of shape. Yeah. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shapes? Yeah, here. Rotated or mirrored, yes. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, more of these kind of shapes. Here, another one. Also rotated upside down. Yes, this box has the same number as that box. Then the following figure. How about this shape? Alright. Remember that this box, in this shape, this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box... Oh, I draw this a little bit too high. It's not too high, yes. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Okay. More of this kind here, upside down. This box has the same number as that box. More of this kind of shapes? No. Then the following figure, this figure, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Okay. More of these kind of shapes? No. Those are the 4 figures in this puzzle. There are more. More figures or shapes that you need to recognize, but in this puzzle we have 4 figures. All the other figures, yeah, the numbers could be everywhere. All right, So the next stage is, yeah, let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. In this area, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 5. You see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright, those 2 boxes in this area cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 3 again. Alright. These 3 boxes surround a 3, cannot be a 3. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. So in this box cannot be a 5. I need a 5 in one of those 2 boxes, so I cannot place a 5 there. Yeah. Wait. Not a good conclusion I've made. Let me do this box, this area. These 3 boxes surround the 1, cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be there. So this box cannot be a 5, I've told you earlier, but also this box cannot be a 3. So the 3 and a 5 goes as a pair in those 2 boxes. Alright, 3 and a 5. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Alright. Then. Let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Alright. This box cannot be A2, that box cannot be A2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Then we have a double 4 here. That means these 2 boxes cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot place any 4 in one of those 2 boxes, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. 1. 5. Come on. Okay. This box is connected with that box, 3 and a 5. But we have a 5 here, so it cannot be a 5 there. So this should be a 3, and that box should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 5. Okay. These 3 boxes surround a 5, cannot be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Alright. Then these 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. That means that box cannot be a 2 because we have a double 2 there. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. 5, 3, 2, 5, 1 and 4. Okay. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5. That box cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can it be a 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 3. That means these 3 boxes surround a 3, can it be a 3? So the 3 could be here, could be there. Okay. Well, we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be a 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 3. I think this box should be a 1. Because it cannot be a 2. Cannot be a 3. It's in the same area, 3. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes for the 5. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I need to think. These 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. If I place the 5 here, then this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. But we already have a 5 there. So it's not a solution to place the 5 here. The 5 should be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 2 as a pair. This box is connected with that box, so we should be also 2 and a 3. So 1 box left in this area for the number 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place a 3 here, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 1, and that box should be a 3 in this area. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be 4? Can it be 5? Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 4. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Alright. And now, 2 and a 3. 2 and a 3, we have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Can it be a 3? Can it be a 4? Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 2. This box is connected with that box. Should be also a 2. Alright. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be a 1. Can it be a 2? Can it be a 3? Should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes. Oh, wait. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. All right. Then these two boxes, sorry, this box cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3, otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So this box can be a 3, that box cannot be a 3, so one box left for the 3 should be there. Now I have a 3 there, so this box cannot be a 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright, 1 number left in this area for the number 5. Alright. Then yeah. Let me see. These two boxes cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright, that means that those two boxes cannot be a 4, otherwise I cannot place any 4 in one of those two boxes. So here cannot be a 4, but also this box cannot be a 4. So one box left for the 4 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5. So one box left for the 5 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2. So the 2 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 4 and 1. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box will be a 1 and this box will be a 4. And the final 2 numbers 4 and 5. You see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Easy. Wow. Is this for 4 stars? No, because for 4 stars I need 30 minutes or more to solve. And I've solved this in 17 minutes. Is this a 4 stars? No. Is this a 3 stars? No. Because for 3 stars I need 20 to 30 minutes. So it's a 2 stars. Yeah, 2 stars. Because for 2 stars I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Yeah, I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the tectonics, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars, and the 1 stars. I have also a playlist for the letter Sudokus, for the medium Sudokus, for the heavy, for the light, for the quintuplet, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Monday. We'll meet again tomorrow on Tuesday. See you then. Bye bye for now.